Hi there, and welcome to our tutorial on how to mute someone on Instagram. If you're tired of seeing posts from certain accounts in your feed, this is the perfect solution for you. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device and go to your profile at the bottom right corner. Now tap on your followings. From the list of followings, you can select whomever you want to mute, or you could also directly search for them by typing down the username in the search bar right here. Once you find them, tap on the treehouse interline next to the following button, and now select Mute. You'll then have the option to mute their posts, stories, or notes. Select the options you prefer to mute it. You can simply slide the toggle to the right next to their posts, stories, or notes, and you're done. After you mute someone on Instagram, the posts and stories will no longer appear in your feed. However, you will still be able to view the profile and receive notifications if they mention you in a comment or tag you in a post. You can always unmute them later by following the same steps and selecting Unmute. That's it. You now know how to mute someone on Instagram. We hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Instagram tips and tricks in 2023.